Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide 60 plus digital card template. Here you see we divide it into three parts. Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. In Part 1 we have 10 items and in Part 2 we have 10 items. And in Part 3 we have 96 items. Each item have its a PPT, X variant and a PSD variant. For example, I open it. Now you see many layer in layer area. You can edit any of this layer: logo, texture, site, email, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Liger, WhatsApp, hamburger and anyone. Same like it, you can edit any of this template. I hope the tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.